about things which are true at the present, talk about repeated actions, to talk about something fixed in the future, right? Now let's take an example of universal truth. Can you give me one example of universal truth and make the sentence in present tense? Anything that is true.
I would say the Earth is ellipsoid in shape.
Okay, yes, yes. But use the tense. Earth is round in shape. There is no verb as such, right? There is only a linking verb that we are using.
Okay.
You can say the sun rises in the east. So this is a
East.
universal truth. It will never change. It is a permanent fact, right? Is there any other example that comes to your mind which is a universal truth?
The stars is shining. The stars are shining in the night.
So stars are shining in the night. Is it present simple? It
Yes,
is
ma'am.
present continuous. Are shining, right? This is the mistake that we usually make. We have to say stars shine at night. Okay?
Okay.
So that will
So
be a universal truth. Okay,
the
let's.
moon look brighter in night.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. This one's fine. Next is when we talk about our daily routine, something that we are currently doing. For example, I um, I get up early in the morning. This is my daily routine, right? Or it is my present habit. I usually go for morning walks, right? Then we have things which are true at present. Things which are true at present. Okay, let me give you some examples. Identify the functions of the following present simple tenses. Right? For example, here, water freezes at 0 degree. What, according to you, is it? Is it a universal truth? Is it a daily routine? Is it a thing which is true at present? Is
It's the universal truth, ma'am.
universal truth, right? Okay, correct. Next, she only eats fish.
It's not a universal truth.
Mhm.
It's a daily routine, ma'am.
It's a daily routine. Okay, we can also say that it's a habit,
Yeah.
right? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
we fly to Paris next week.
Um, it's like to talk about something fixed in the future.
Yes. So when something is absolutely certain, that is definitely going to happen, then also we use present simple. Next, I'm a student.
It's present tense.
Yes. So something that is true for present time, something that is true for right now.
It's a true at present.
Okay, next, number 5. It rains every afternoon in the hot season.
It's a repeated action.
Repeated action, yes. It rains, oh sorry, they drive to Sydney every summer.
It's again the repeated action.
Yes. I drink a glass of milk every day.
Again, it's a
It's a
repeated
daily
action.
routine. Our holiday starts on the 26th July
It's the action which would happen
in
in
the
future.
in the future. Correct. My house faces the park. Something that is true.
So, yeah,
Yeah.
all
Yeah.
university.
Correct. Okay. Now we know that this is the structure of present simple tense. So what is the sentence structure? First of all, we have the subject, then we have the verb, and then we have the object. So, subject, if the subject is singular, for example, Sahil. So, if it is singular, we are going to add an S or ES with it. Sahil writes a letter to his wife. If the subject is plural. For example, we. We
You
catch
ride.
the bus every morning. Okay. Now make two sentences, one with singular subject and one with plural subject.
We write a letter to the government authority.
Okay. Okay. And singular subject?
I drive a car. Uh,
I drives a car. With I, you will never use the es form. With I, with you will use the verbs first form only, no s, no es. I drive the car, right? You drive a car. If it is third person singular, if it is third person singular, then only we will use the s
yes.
or es with the verb. So can you try it again?
Uh, uh, Rohan drives a car.
Rohan drives a car, right? Okay, correct. Okay, so these are the changes that happen. So the words that end with O, so this is just a matter of writing whether we have to write the ES or we have to write only S. Sometimes we change the last letter if it is Y to IES. For example, study, studies, cry, cries. If it is ending with these words, these letters, O, S, Z, X, CH, or SH, we add an ES to it. For example, catches, kisses, wishes, buzzes, goes, does. Okay, now write each verb with the correct S or ES or IES. What will you do with this first one? Will you write IES, S or ES?
Uh, Study IES, ma'am.
IES. Fish,
ES.
ES. What do you mean by fish as a verb?
Fish is it's a singular fish, like it's a singular thing.
वो तो ठीक है, that is fine. But fish करना क्या होता है? Fish ये तो एक verb है ना? This is a verb. So why have I written
Like
fish as a verb? What is the meaning of fish as a verb?
hunting or kind
Yes,
of to
yes. To fish
manipulate.
out, to take out something, to draw out something. Okay, pass.
Passes.
Es, right?
Yes,
Worry.
ma'am. IED.
I
Worries or worry.
yes, IES, correct. Explore.
ES.
Only S.
Explore. S,
Only
yeah,
S because
ES.
the E is already there. Bite.
S. Only S.
Buy.
Mites.
Only S, there will be no change.
UIES.
No, 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 no. It
Oh,
will
mites.
not change. Y will remain there. It will become buys. BUYS. This one. Help.
Helps.
Helps.
S.
Fly.
Flies.
IES.
Yes. FLIES.
Right.
Flies.
Miss.
ES. Misses.
ES. Correct. Fix.
FIXS.
No, it will be fixes. The plumber fixes our water supply. Watch.
Watch. S.
Watches. Watches.
Yeah.
Like.
Okay, it's watch. Okay. S.
Only
Likes.
S. Play.
Plays.
Only S.
PLAYS.
Drink.
Drinks.
Only S. Okay. Now, when we have a negative, we add either a do or a doesn't. Right? So, I like tennis with I, you, we, they. we use do not, and with singular we use does not. For example, John doesn't live in Manchester, Angela doesn't drive to work, I don't play the piano, they don't work at the weekend, I don't live in London now, or I don't like football, right? The same goes for question. Does John live in Manchester? Does Angela drive to work? Do I live in London now? Do they work on at the weekend? Right? So this is normally don't not used, but still. Okay, let's write don't and doesn't.
Tony doesn't play tennis anymore.
So what will you say? Tony
Doesn't
doesn't.
play tennis anymore.
Yes.